Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel Sattvic Lifestyle. We have already uploaded many videos of millet recipes and healthy food recipes to prevent diseases and maintain good health. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of Soursop tea and its benefits. Soursop or Graviola, its botanical name is Annona muricata. It is also called as guanabana or Brazilian pawpaw. It's tropical evergreen plant grown in different countries, being native of India, Cuba, Mexico and Central America. Soursop contains vitamin A, B, C, E and calcium and iron, rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, phytosterols and tannins. Friends, first let us collect the fresh leaves from the plant. You can keep them dried, preserve them for the future use. Now take 2 cups of water, add 4 to 5 leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and pinch of pepper to enhance the effect. You may also prepare without adding these two. Bring it to boil, then continue for 15 minutes in simmer. Filter it, and if you require sweet, just add organic jaggery, but do not mix honey in the hot tea. Now let me tell you the amazing health benefits of Soursop tea. Number 1, it helps for weight reduction. Studies published in 2019 in Nutrient Journal say Soursop tea helps in weight reduction as it was proved in mice when given for 12 weeks. Number 2, it protects heart health. Studies show that Soursop tea helps in lowering cholesterol, triglycerides and LDL level. It may help to reduce excess body fat and stabilizes blood pressure. Number 3, it promotes digestion and has gastroprotective activity. So it relieves constipation and gastric irritation like acidity, ulcer, etc. Number 4, it helps to boost immune system and fight infection and chronic diseases. Soursop is rich in antioxidants which reduces free radicals. Number 5, some animal studies showed that Soursop tea reduces blood sugar level, so it may help in managing diabetes along with other healthy diet and lifestyle. Number 6, it is good for improving skin health. Traditional medicine used in psoriasis, abscess and skin inflammation. It also helps to speed up wound healing. Number 7, helps to improve general health. Initially, start taking in small dose once daily. Gradually, you may increase depending upon the body requirement and tolerance. Excess use of Soursop tea may induce Parkinson's-like symptoms due to its neurotoxic effect. Further, scientific studies are going on to find more health benefits of Soursop. If you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.